Oh yeah. See that silver vent? That's
no, I don't want to look.
It's not gonna come flying out.
That's a plug.
Yeah, that silver vent thing too is what we're gonna pull apart.
Do you hear it? That's it.
It's like a barracuda.
What did you say?
I think he's trying to psych it out.
He's trying to talk to it. Someone smells.
I hate the smell.
I think I'm gonna have to get behind here.
Yeah.
Oh
you
my
probably are.
god.
Just hop over.
Hop over, Al.
I'm gonna need a Phillips screwdriver.
Boy, you stunning!
Oh, there it is.
What the heck? Where is it?
It's there.
Give me the drill.
What?
And a Phillips screw.
Please, won't throw it.
Yeah, or just bring one of the things here.
No, I got it.
Actually, I'm probably gonna need Brooklyn or Tatum to crawl back here.
I'm not grabbing it.
It's probably.
There's that, but I don't know what you
Just
said.
give me one of the screws.
No. I don't want to do it too, but I can't get back there.
Oh! It just came off, so it might come flying out.
I'm too chubby.
Bird!
Unless it flew out the thing already.
Shake the thing.
Bert. Oh, what's up? I'm just chilling in the thing.
Shake the thing. Dad! Are you gonna screw it?
No, you have to screw this thing back on.
Everybody's gonna have a real good time.
Is this little system of a down?
Well, it's too late to close the door, so.
Yeah, actually, we're gonna need to close the door because I gotta get this further out so I
Nah,
can
it's
get in
fine.
here.
Wait, what? The
Pause
hell?
it, pause it.
You have less room.
Ah!
Hey! Hold it! Hold it! How did you get around so fast?
See, if it is in here, we gotta take it out because we can't let it.
Well, if it is in here, I'm kind of
It's gonna come at me then.
If it's in here, I can't get out this door because I'm behind it, and that.
Hold on. Taking the thing off.
I really hope the bird comes flying at him.
I can't leave if it's in here. I can't.
Oh
leave.
my god! It's dead! Dead!
What? Is it in there?
No!
Oh.
Hey guys. Hey.
Ew. I don't think it's in there.
Flies out already. I thought you were joking.